Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update feature stores in Feast for consistent training inputs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update feature stores in Feast for consistent training inputs, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Feast installed. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where your Feast project is located. Next, verify your Feast installation by running the command Feast version. Make sure you have access to your feature repository, which contains all feature definitions. If you need to create or update a feature entity, modify the feature_repository.py file appropriately. Define any new features you want to include in your feature store. Use the Feast apply command to update your feature store with the new or modified definitions. Check the status of your feature store to ensure changes have been applied properly. To view the available features, run the command Feast list. Next, update your ingestion pipeline to ensure that new data aligns with the latest feature definitions. This may involve altering data transformation scripts or data sources. Once your pipeline is updated, trigger the ingestion process by executing the appropriate. Monitor the ingestion logs for any errors or warnings during the data loading process. After successful ingestion, validate the feature values by querying the feature store. You can use the Feast get command to fetch specific feature values for a given entity. Make sure that the features you retrieve match the expected values for training. If everything looks good, integrate the updated features into your training workflow. Finally, document any changes made to the feature definitions and pipeline for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.